Okay, to remove the slide lock bar, which is here, you'll need 1/8 Allen wrench. Okay, and that is to take the collars off, like this. Okay, go and take the collars off, loosen them off. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in with a 1/2 inch wrench, the nut, like that. Okay, and a 3/16 Allen wrench on the top, like so. Slip it into here. You can see, right? And then taking the wrench, you're going to unbolt it, okay, and you're going to remove this piece, and that will allow you to remove the bar, and then replace it and just do things in the reverse.